Hey, what's up, everybody? I was just sitting here thinking and wanted to share something with you. I think the digital revolution is happening right now. And what you're going to see, it's already been going on, but COVID is putting it over the top. The machines, the bots, the artificial intelligence, it's going to replace a lot of jobs. But here's the thing, there are certain things that you're gifted to do, talents, you've got expertise, and these are things that only you can do. No machine, no bot, no technology is ever going to replace those unique things that people can do. Um, and here's the thing: it's there are all kinds of inventions and technologies and wonderful things that are going on, but companies, workplaces, best workplace, that's our thing, they need somebody to guide them to the products and the solutions that solve their biggest problems. And that's you. You have your specific expertise. You have your thing that you are good at. These are God given talents that we have that can help others break through and figure out their challenges. And that's when you make big money. Let me tell you something. I left a Fortune 500 company. I've always been an independent entrepreneur for 25 years, but I worked for one big company for 15 years. Even though I was independent, you still had all the corporate baloney that drives you nuts. I went independent 10 years ago. I started my own company by myself, sold a deal. I had some guys behind me helping with products and ideas, but ultimately, I'm the one that brought the solution to the table and sold it as a sole proprietor to one of the biggest financial institutions in the world. But it's because I figured out their problem. They had bigger consultants and people they talked to that said no or didn't get it. I helped them figure it out, literally made millions on it. So here's the thing: when you figure your thing out, the thing that you were born to help people with, when you figure that thing out, you have cracked the code. And that's when you find freedom. That's when you can pursue your dreams. I have lived the life. I mean, truly lived the dream. Um, really for 25 years, but the last 10 years, I've had peace and quiet. I do what I want to do. I got my shirt tail tucked out. I do still have an office, but my house is a mile from the office. My children's school is probably 2 miles from my office. Um, so I'm home every night. I did some flying around when I was working with this Fortune 500 company, but it was worth it. It was fun. We had a lot of fun and had a lot of impact, and it's it was worth it. But here's my last point I'm going to say is, if you are not enjoying the ride, and I'm talking about life, work, whatever's going on, if you are not enjoying it, it's time for a change. You will go crazy. So let's talk. One more thing I want to share with you. I've worked on my wife told me for years, and a lot of other people told me for years, you're the greatest businessman I know. You're a strategist. You help solve problems. So I put together everything really I've figured out over the years into a simple, it's called Pure Strategy. And it's basically 20 steps that you go through. And you can do it in probably an hour, but it will help you unlock your thing that you can take to the world. I'm going to give you that. I'm going to show you a free technology to set up your business, um, because you're going to sell a product or a service, and ultimately you're selling a solution, because we're going to take people that have a desire or a problem. We want to take them from here to there, and that's where you come in. This is going to help you figure that out. The Pure Strategy framework, the system is going to help you set everything up. I'm going to show you the easy way to get that going. It would take you weeks. It's taken me months, quite honestly, to figure out this new technology. But again, it's free. And it includes a way that you can make money while you're figuring out your own product. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to show you paid traffic, free traffic, plus the best lead magnet that I believe is available today. And I'll tell you more about that later. But I am setting this up right now, very low price to get in, because quite honestly, I want to build a community. And the best workplace is a community of buyers and sellers. So you can be a seller. Eventually, in the beginning, you're a buyer. There may be people that can help you put your thing together. So anyway, I hope to see you inside, and I wish you the best. Take care.